Hi everybody, it's me again, it's Hannah. This time we're doing how to draw my planner layouts. I apologise for the noise in the background. My little boy has decided he's going to refuse to have a nap, so I'm trying to record this anyway. So you're going to need a pen, a pencil, a ruler and your notebooks. Let's get started. Okay, so this pencil line here is where I would cut my moleskin kaye down to the right size for the Midori, but currently I haven't done that yet, so I've just drawn this line to give you an idea, and then copied the line here as well. Now, depending on how big you want your days, depends on how you divide up the page. The example that I've used is so the example I used was that the top section is 3.5 centimeters, then each day is 2.5 centimeters, because these squares are 5mm squares, so it's nice and easy to draw it out. So we can see if this breaks down in a similar way. So we've got 1, 2, 3.5 to the top, and then our days. So okay, so that gives us like a little note section. Then we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, and then we need to draw our lines across. So we're going to line up our ruler and then draw in our lines. What you can do is count it down at multiple points so you get a nice straight line. So obviously you'd use a ruler, but I can't quite do it one-handed, so I'm just going to rough sketch in my lines so you can then see what it looks like. And actually these days can be quite fluid. If you're using it for journaling, there's no reason why you can't have what you're doing like up to this point and then have a big box for a picture or something like that. Okay, there we go. So we have our lines drawn in. Now when I did it in my actual Midori book, I didn't do the pencil lines first, I just went straight in with a pen, which means that on some days, because of the way the squares line up, they're not entirely the same. So there's a couple of days where they don't quite line up, and obviously I don't have straight lines because I did them by scissors. I put in the top corner I have which month it is, and when it's an overlap like at the end of August, I've then got September here. The idea is this side can be used for general notes. There's no reason why you couldn't draw your lines all the way across and have both sections, or maybe have like me this side and my kids and my family this side. Ultimately the thing about Midori is that you can change it up how you like. So if you find that it's not working for you, draw a couple of weeks and see if it works. If it doesn't work, turn the page over, draw a different layout, see what happens then. Okay, any questions, just leave them in the comments.